Hello everyone, my name is Anggis Manu. In this video, I will discuss a formulation of national trade policy. The formulation of national trade policy is one of the most strategic and complex responsibility undertaken by government. It involves the design of implementation of a comprehensive framework that regulates country international trade activities, both improve import and export, with the ultimate goals of promoting economic growth, enhancing national competitiveness, and ensuring long-term sustainability. National trade policy is not developed in a vacuum. Rather, it is shaped by a combination of internal economic priorities and external global dynamic. Domestic factors such as industrial capacity, employment level, inflation control, balance of payment, and technological advancement must be harmonized with international obligation, global trend, geopolitical consideration, and the evolving architecture of multilateral trade agreement. At its core, trade policy encompasses a broad range of instruments, including tariff and non-tariff measures, import and export regulation, subsidy, quotas, anti-dumping laws, and trade facilitation mechanisms. These instruments must be carefully calibrated to balance the often competing interests of product consumers, exporters, and importers. The process of the policy formulation typically begins with strategic economy analysis. Policymakers must assess the strength and weakness of the national economy, identify sector with comparative or competitive advantage, and evaluate the impact of current trade partner. This requires the use detailed trade data, market intelligence, and economic modeling to predict the outcome of potential policy choice. One of key challenges in crafting trade policy is alike short-term political goals with long-term national interests. For example, raising tariff on certain import may protect domestic industry and preserve jobs in the new term, but it may also lead to high consumer price trade retention or reduce international competitiveness. 3. For evidence-based policy making supported by rigorous cost-benefit analysis and stakeholder consultation is essential. An inclusive approach is crucial. Effective trade policy formulation requires engagement with a broad range of stakeholders, including governments, ministers, industry associations, labor union, consumer group, academic experts, and civil society organizations. This participatory process ensures that the policy reflects a wide array of perspectives and gain legitimacy among the public and business community. Moreover, trade policy must be synchronized with other and sectorial policies, including industrial policy, fiscal and monetary policy, agricultural policy, and environmental regulation. This policy coherence is necessary to avoid contradiction and to create a conducive environment for sustained trade expansion. In today's world, national trade policy must also consider regional and global trade communities. Countries that are members of the World Trade Organization or WTO or regional trade blocs are bound by specific rules and disciplines that limit the range of national action. Thus, trade negotiators and legal experts play a vital role in ensuring that national policy remain consistent with international obligations while maximizing national interest. Another critical component is trade diplomacy. Government must active and engage in bilateral, regional, and multilateral negotiation to secure favorable trade terms, reduce barriers to market access, and protect domestic industry from unfair practices. Trade representation through embassies, commercial agents, and trade mission is a powerful tool for promoting export and attracting investment. Furthermore, national trade policy must address non-traditional dimensions of trade, such as intellectual property rights, digital trade, e-commerce, service trade, and environmental standards. These areas are becoming increasingly important in global trade negotiation and require specialized knowledge and adaptive regulation framework. In recent years, the emphasis on inclusive and sustainable trade policy has intensified. Governments are now expected to design the policy that now only boost economic growth but also contribute to social development, environmental sustainability, and gender equality. This involves incorporating provision to support small and medium enterprise or SMEs, promote green export, protect vulnerable population, and ensure fair distribution of trade benefit. Trade policy must also be responsive to global corruption, such as pandemic, geopolitical conflict, technological disruption. The COVID-19 pandemic for intense exposed vulnerabilities in global supply chains and underscored the for resilient, diverging, and strategical autonomous debt system. As a result, many countries are revising the trade strategy to promote food and medical security, digital infrastructure, and domestic capital building. In conclusion, the formulation of national trade policy is multifaceted process that requires strategic vision, analysis, rigor, stakeholder collaboration, and diplomatic agility. It is not merely a technical exercise, but a fundamental instrument of national development and global engagement in era of uncertainty and independent. Country must craft trade policy that are dynamic, inclusive, and resilient, capable of advancing national interests while contributes to stable and equitable global trading system. Thanks for watching.